morning, all. Today, I am going to share you very important concept, that is, can we totally depend on stock market for our daily needs and our daily requirements? So these questions, such type of questions are asked so many times on social medias and on various kinds of the platforms. It has a certain answer, but it totally depends on how a human being work out and how a human being create a strategy. For youngsters, those who are already in the market for last 1-2 years, my advice for them is a very virtually clean up, that they should not totally depend on the market. Why I'm telling you? The stock market is having lots of volatility, and whatever perfection you are having, or whatever kind of a prevalence, or whatever kind of a hard work, and whatever kind of a type of the dedication you are giving to a stock market, but always remember that this is a stock market, it is not a gambling. Why you are doing such type of things is very commonly asked. For a stock market investor or trader, so many people ask why you are totally depending or what you are doing. Stock market is a kind of a volatility tracking, always remember. So whenever we are totally depending on the stock market, whatever will happen, we are going to be responsible for it. Firstly, before any conclusion, you should ask yourself some basic questions. Are you totally having perfection in this field? Are you capable of reading charts without any hesitation, without any kind of a hurdle? Always remember, stock market is a full-time job, not a part-time job. If you are totally depending on the income from stock market, my advice for youngsters and all them is quite clear, that you should have another source of income. Because if you are having another source of income, that is your cash flow. Companies are having cash flow revenues, that kind of a cash flow you should have, so that you can concentrate more on your charts and on your trading, on your activities in stock market, rather than fulfilling your requirements in your daily life. So basically, you should have a mental toughness and concentration for stock market working, without worrying about how I am going to manage my bread and butter 2 times. So if you are having that cash flow, so many people ask me like this, that we are getting lots of income from stock market, shall we quit from our job? Let me tell you, answer is no. Because you are asking me question like this, that means you are still a bit of behind of that conquerness of that mountain peak. That peak should be achieved, that mountain should be achieved, so that you need not to ask anybody, shall I quit from the job? You take my example. I am also working, I am also giving lots of things to my professional field, but this is not a kind of a thing that you should quit, because you should have a support of financial backing. Otherwise, you are not going to survive in this stock market. Always remember that you should start from small amount and try to build up your portfolio in such a manner that you need not to work, or you need not to ask someone that shall I quit from the job. A very famous saying is that चीजें छूटती नहीं है, चीजें छूट जाती है. कुणाला किसी को पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so Just go on working hard so that you should keep yourself calm and concentrate in stock market. And always remember, you should not ask anybody, shall I quit from my ongoing job and all these things. चीजें छूट जाती है, always remember. Okay, so you should have that financial freedom. That is why I am suggesting you to continue with your job, continue with your business, whatever you are doing, work hard. And this stock market journey is nothing but the continuous journey, infinite journey. You should keep working, and you should do analyzing charts and all these things. Always remember, you should have a habit of making your money working for you whenever you are sleeping also, 24 by 7. Okay, so I have concluded this video for youngsters, those who are in a will to quit the job. Don't quit the job, don't quit the business. Only make a stock market to earn for you, so that you will not to work in future. Okay, so very very thankful to you uh, for subscribing my channel and sharing my channel. All of you, I'm very giving you promise, and I'm very confident that I fulfill your requirements and desires in future also. Thankful to you. Thank you.